Friends, today we'll try one problem from exercise 1.3 that is basically about rational and irrational numbers. So I believe all of us, we have a clear concept of what are rational numbers and irrational numbers, but those who are not clear with this rational and irrational numbers concept, you can drop in some comments below, and then definitely if you need some more concepts on rational and irrational, what is the difference between them, you can always comment so that we can upload videos on what are rational and what are irrational numbers. Now today what I'm going to do is I'll be trying in Nagamese, so I hope all of us will bear with that, because I believe that by Nagamese, I guess some students will understand better. So let's try this in Nagamese. Now the question is 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Itu proof koribo lagibo amakan aji. To itu laga proof to olop alag pra proof koribo. Tar mane we will assume amakan assume koribo ulta. Tar mane itu 3 plus 2 root 5 to rational proof koribi inia koi to aman itu ulta side pra jagina aman itu irrational nohe rational number ase inia na proof koribole try koribo aru to successful hoise gole to itu rational hobo holibe successful nohe koile gole tar mane itu thik hobo, it will be irrational number. To rational number mane itu 3 plus 2 root 5 itia aman itu rational ase inia na proof koribole try koribo. To aman 3 plus 2 root 5 to rational ase hoy inia koise gole tar mane itu in the form of p by q amount represent koribo paribo lage. That means p and q are co-primes hobo lage. That is, we can find co-primes a and b such that 3 plus 2 root 5 to a by b likhibo paribole lage. Amount rational numbers to hotai tinia korena. What are rational numbers inia koise gole any numbers which can be written in the form of p by q. Mui yati a by b loise so that itu textbook or notes kan laga textbook logati bi familiar hoy karone p by q likise gole kuno mata olop confuse hobole chance ase. Tora mui ni a by b likise textbook ti ki digina ase. Acha itu itiara man solve koribole try koribo, olop simplify kori dibo. 2 root 5 to rakhina a by b 3 to tati loi jabo, tar mane plus 3 to hobo minus 3. Itiaro root 5 to chharigina a by 2 to itia common denominator loi anibo by 2b 3 by 2. Itia ki hoise after this aman ekta simplified version ekta pai ase. Now hoilibi yadi a aru b, since a and b are integers, we get that a by 2b minus 3 by 2 itu rational hobo. Karone a to prime b to prime tamane itu rational hoy jabo. 3 by 2 to already rational number ase karone it is in the form of p by q. Tamane itu whole term to ita rational hoy jaise. Holibe, but this contradicts the fact that root 5 is irrational. Tamane do amount itu to rational hoy jaise, itu to rational ase. Holibe root 5 ta amount sob pra jane itu irrational number ase. Root 5, root 3, root 2 itu ando sob surds ase, to itu one irrational number hoy jaise. Tamane itu equation di ki paise man itu side to rational, itu side to irrational. Tamane irrational number is equal to rational number. Itu to kitabi no hobo na 1 aru 2 to kitabi ki no hobo. For example, to itu bar rational or irrational number to kitabi same no hobo. Tar mane aman itu ki proof korobole try korise that 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number. Holibe aman unsuccessful hoise karone yade at the end aman yade ki paise irrational number is equal to rational number. Itu to kitabi possible no hoy. Din aru rati to kitabi ki no hobo. That means itu rational no hoy karone itu irrational number hobo. So we conclude that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. So concept to be simple as it. karne among the question kite digina thaibo 3 plus 2 root 5 whatever be the other questions is irrational question hole amon itula ulta try koro proof korole try koribo we will prove that itu we will try to prove that itu rational number hobo tamne rational number hobo wale every number that is rational in the form of p by q likhibo paribo lage to itu simplify kora dem last time on inia ekta equation ekta pai jabo where one side to rational hoi jay one side to irrational to itu likhi jabi possible nohoy tar mane itu equation to irrational itu to universal truth itu irrational number ase tar mane 3 plus 2 root 5 will always be a irrational number likewise the other questions also